Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you guys how I was able to restore the PayPal account. The PayPal account was limited because someone sent JNS to that account, so I have to restore the account so that I can continue enjoying the account. So on this day, 7th of January, $500 was received. So and on this day, 8th of January, I received $56. So you know, it's a new account, so $500 for the first payment. They notice that maybe this person is using it for fraud. So they now hold the payment. They hold the payment here. So they asked me to provide my information here. So after I did my magic, and they restored back the account. So after a while too, they still ask me to provide the reason they asked me to provide my information again is that I received $2,000 once. So like $782 like 3 times. So they have to limit my account. So this is the screenshot. Your account features are temporarily limited. They limited the account because of the huge amount. So I restored back the account. So where is it again? So I restored back the account here. Your account has been restored, as you can see. So that's all. I think that's all. This is where I transferred that $2,000. So as you can see here, $2,000. This is where I transferred the money. So I continue using the account until one of my customers sent JNS again. You know, JNS like two times. So they have to limit the account permanently. So they give me 180 days for me to retract my money. That's all on this video. So even after I received that JNS, they still verify my account again. Like I submitted my information and they verified. You see, good news, we have finished verifying your account. So PayPal is very easy once you follow their rules. You know, here in this video, on this account, so my customers are sending JNS instead of FNF. JNS means goods and service. So they are trying to send as FNF, friend and family, but mistakenly they are sending as JNS. So that's why they limited the account. So if you want video like this, you want me to teach you how to lift your limitation on your account, the limitation on your account, or you want to learn how to create a strong and verified PayPal account, you want to create a account that you can restore back, so just subscribe to this channel so that I can teach you everything. I'll be uploading video like this in like once in a week like that. Thanks for watching.